Hi guys, I'm up here on the top of the hills at Glencoe. This is the Small Buchan Ridge. So that's the Small Buchan there. That's the main road down there. See where I am. Just behind that hill is Loch Etive. So I just wanted to make a quick video about the value of walking up hills. It's easy to forget when you're doing all this survival stuff and that, but in actual fact, just to walk up a hill, particularly ones like these, on a day like today, is over there in Nevis. That's the highest one in Glencoe over there. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video about the value of walking up hills. It's just a fantastic thing to do, and just get into the rhythm of it, and just enjoy the movement in the body and make it a lot more conscious. That kind of loving, joyful gesture, not a kind of I got to get at this kind of attitude. So in that way you really enjoy the whole process, and it's not just about arriving at the top, it's about the whole process. And then just that feeling when you get up, that being closer to God feeling is so valuable. And then the walk back down as well, just enjoy that and don't go too quickly. That's something that, particularly in these last stretches, to go too quickly. Just enjoy the process of going down as well. That's another great thing to do. It's easy to forget those things. Also, you come up into Scotland like this, and the water here up in the hills is fantastic, filled with minerals, no chemicals in it. And after a day of drinking it, you just feel a whole lot more healthy than drinking normal tap water. So get into that as well. I'll leave you with the view again, and then I'm going to head down. And remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Look at that. It's fantastic, isn't it? So that's Glen Etive in there. That one over there is Buchan, and that's Loch Rannoch over there. Right guys, just remember to like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.